Hello students, welcome to my channel Hannah's Tutorial. Today's topic is a biography writing. Subhash Chandra Bose. Our mother India has given birth many great national leaders. Among them, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was a prominent figure in the field of national movement. He was born on 23rd January 1897 at Cuttack in Odisha. His father was Janakinath Bose, a well-known lawyer in Cuttack. His mother, Prabhavati Devi, was a pious lady. Subhash Chandra was a brilliant student. He studied in Presidency College, Kolkata. He then had his honours degree from Scottish Church College and completed ICS examination in England and was placed fourth in the examination, but he refused to serve under the British government and so he did not accept the government service. He came back to India and joined the freedom movement. Subhash Chandra became the mayor of Calcutta and the president of the Indian National Congress. He escaped from his house and left India in disguise and went to Germany and Japan. He formed the Azad Hind Fauj and the Indian National Army called him Netaji. The Fauj marched up to Manipur under the circumstances. His Fauj had to retreat. Netaji then left for Tokyo in a plane, but the plane was crashed. Some people are of opinion that Netaji did not die in that air crash. Still, it is a mystery. Netaji will be remembered forever as one of the greatest Indian leaders. Thank you for watching. Please stay with me and like, share, subscribe.